In today's video, I'm going to teach you AutoCAD Presspull comment not working and Presspull problem in AutoCAD. If Presspull isn't behaving the way you expect, the cause is almost always the boundary. Presspull needs a clean closed loop that sits on a single plane. If the loop is open, if parts of it are at different elevations, or if the z-axis values don't match. AutoCAD 1. Detect a valid region and the command will fail or feel inconsistent. Start by confirming that the shape you are pressing or pulling is actually closed. Presspull works reliably with closed polylines, circles, and regions. If you've drawn your outline as separate line or arc segments, convert them into a single continuous loop. Use P-Edit. Choose the polyline option, then join to stitch connected segments together. If the segments are already polylines, join can also bring them into one piece. As an alternative, B-Poly can create a closed polyline by clicking inside a boundary. This is handy when you have many small segments forming a loop. After joining or creating the boundary, zoom in along corners and intersections to make sure there are no tiny gaps or overlaps that could break closure. Next, verify that everything is on the same plane. Even a small mismatch in Z can break the boundary. Switching your visual style to 2D wireframe makes edges and elevations clearer. And it can help you spot lines that aren't coplanar. If you see edges that appear slightly above or below the rest, adjust your geometry so the entire loop lies on a single plane with a consistent Z value. When selecting what to modify, remember that Presspull can target both enclosed areas and individual faces. If the whole object is highlighting or AutoCAD keeps grabbing the wrong area, hold the Control key to cycle through and select a specific face. This gives you precise control over what gets extruded or offset. Finally, be aware that very detailed or complex geometry can slow down boundary detection. If the cursor feels laggy, give AutoCAD a moment to analyze the shape, and try clicking closer to the center of the region you want. That often helps the software identify the intended boundary faster. With those checks in place, Presspull should work smoothly. Thanks for watching.